How to rename a page in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to rename or put a new name to a page that you have created into Hostinger. So basically it is going to be very simple. We're going to head over our Hostinger platform by heading over www.hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to get the dashboard. This is the dashboard. We're going to head over the websites, click on websites links or websites list, and from here you are going to have your websites in here. So we are going to select the website, and then you are going to select the one that you're going to change the name for the page of. So basically, I'm going to make sure that it is a Hostinger website by checking this icon. Click on edit website, and then we are going to see the website right away. Once the website is fully loaded, we are going simply in here to head over the left side of the screen. So we are going here to click on the pages navigation. So from here, we are going to see all the pages and also the links that we have added. Now, all of these are going to be, let's say, the standard pages names. You can go ahead and do that for also the new pages. If you're going to rename the page, click on settings, and then you're going to get the pen tool, which is going to give you the option to put another name. For example, we're going to have it home all in capital letter. So this is the old version, this is the new one. Click on save and you're going to see it like this. You can do that for all of the pages that we have, also links or anchors like this. Services, for example, you're going to have it like this. I'm going to change the name of it to name in navigation. Make sure that you're going to have it the name on navigation. Services, just like that. The page or the name on page URL is not going to change because it is not going to read the capital letters. So when you are going to change it, it is not going to work correctly. So if you are going to have here another page added, we click on add page, you're going to select a page. It will give you here the option to put the name from the beginning of that page. For example, about like that. Click on save, and here we have added this page. If we want to rename it, we're going to follow the same steps. Click on the gear icon, have it in here, about, or change it, for example, about, just like that. I'm going to put it like this, and here we have it. You're going to see it also on the page navigation at the header. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.